Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan Comfortline. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we get a tow hitch. We get a rear wiper with a rear spoiler. We got roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front, turn light indicated mirrors. And moving to the front real quick, we do get a license plate bracket and that nice Volkswagen grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get tons of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. We even get a cargo mat with the Tiguan logo, with more storage underneath with your spare tire. Get your little 12-volt there, a light. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does here up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. You got some storage here as well. Floor mats, carpeted interior, 12-volt rear vents, some storage. And if you don't need this middle person, you can fold this down for arm space and cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have a mostly manual driver's seat, with this being the only powered part. Same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 87,917 kilometers. On your main screen here, you can go for your connect because it wants to connect to your phone, media player, AFS, settings, your digital speedometer, travel time, consumption, range, and all that fun stuff. On your steering wheel, we get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your toggle-free screen, all that fun, voice, phone, play back, play forward, or change channels, volume. We got our parking brake, storage, cup holders, and it does close. Your center console with more storage. You get some outlets down here as well. Aux, 12-volt, traction, more storage. Got your climate controls right here with heated front seats, storage below. Above me, we do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got your phone, Bluetooth, microphone, storage on the dash, hazards, got your CD. I just gotta turn this on real quick. Yeah, just your welcome Volkswagen, pretty handy. We got AM, FM, Bluetooth, satellite radio, media, for your Bluetooth, SD card, CD setup, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB76620C, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.